How to create a YouTube account. Welcome to this tutorial on creating a YouTube account, where we'll guide you through the process of setting up your very own channel. To start, go to youtube.com and click on the sign in button in the top right corner of the screen. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one by clicking on Create Account. Fill out the required information, such as name and email address, and agree to the terms of service. Next, choose a username for your channel that reflects your brand or identity. This will be the public face of your YouTube presence, so pick something memorable and unique. Type in the desired username and click Next. You'll then be asked to create a password for your account. Choose a strong and secure password that you'll remember easily. Don't use easy-to-guess information like your name or birthdate. After creating your account, you'll need to add some basic information about yourself, such as your name and profile picture. You can upload a photo from your computer or take a new one using the camera on your device. Once you've completed these steps, click Next and review your account settings. Make sure everything looks correct before proceeding to the next step. Now that you have a basic YouTube account set up, it's time to start creating content. Think about what kind of videos you want to make and how often you want to upload them. Consider your target audience and the type of content they'll be interested in watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on YouTube and online content creation.